Hello everyone. So far we have installed MongoDB in our system, and also we have installed MongoDB Compass, and then we have also seen how we can play with MongoDB commands and all this stuff. Now in this tutorial we will continue our GraphQL things, and we will connect GraphQL with MongoDB. So for that we will have to install. So we will click on the terminal and then Control C to close it. Now here we have to install Mongoose. So I'll write here npm install. npm install, you can see I'm going to zoom it. npm install, and then I will write Mongoose, and click enter. So one package we are going to install, that is Mongoose, and after that we will also install GraphQL package. So as of now we have installed server, Apollo server. Now we will also install here GraphQL, only GraphQL. So this package we also need. Now GraphQL package is also installed, Mongoose is also installed, and once we will work with front end, then we will also install one more package, that is CORS. So for now we don't need, and so we will start with creating a schema, and that schema basically will be the Mongoose schema for MongoDB. So let's create here one folder, and we can write folder name as model. In this model folder basically we will create one file, and the file name, let's say I can keep it article.js. So article file I have created here, and then we'll use a schema, and then model from required, and then we can use Mongoose. So here basically require Mongoose, and basically we can add double single quote here. We don't need this one, both are the same thing. So from Mongoose we are using a schema and then model. Now in the next thing what we will do, we'll create a const article schema, and then we can say new schema. In this schema basically we'll write what all fields we want to be available in our MongoDB. So let's say I can say title, and then title we have to specify type. So we can say type is a string, and then is it required, so I can say yes, required is true. So one field we have added, that is title, and similarly I can copy paste it, and then we can add one more field, and the field name may be title, and then we can say content. So now in this content we have type a string, and then required is true. So as of now we have here two fields, title, content, right? We can add years, and there are a lot of things that we can add here. Apart that, what we have to do after that, we have to export. So we can say module dot exports, and we can say model, and here we'll specify name article, and then we can say the article schema is this one. That means in other file we will use the name article instead of article schema. So that's why we have used this Mongoose. Save it. Now we have created model, and this model is basically MongoDB model that we have just created, Mongoose model, right? So in the next tutorial we will see how we can create type def that is a schema, GraphQL schema, and then we will also see how we can use resolver. See you in the next video.